Parsing JSON fields in Python. Is there a good tutorial on parsing JSON attributes in Python? I would like to be able to parse the true value for OK field, as well as the index names client underscore and underscore 1. I don't understand the Python document coverage on this topic. If someone could explain or point me to a better resource, it would be awesome. My JSON string looks like the below. Thank you in advance.
This will take JSON as Python dictionary and will print OK and index value you want.